As most tanks get demobilized, damaged, or even stuck on the battlefield, it's important these tanks are later destroyed to remove any possibility Russia could capture and repair the tank. Every lost tank reduces Russia's tank force, which is quickly diminishing. So when a BREM-1 recovery vehicle was towing back a Russian tank, it was a perfect moment for Ukraine's more heavy drones, carrying several warheads, being able to target both the recovery vehicle as well as the tank, resulting instead of Russia repairing a tank that Russia lost an engineering vehicle and getting a destroyed tank, making sure lost equipment stay lost, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.